Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing of the newest Simply Gilded subscription box, and we are just going to jump right into it because I'm super excited to get into this box. I try not to look up too much information about what's in the box because I like to be surprised. So we are going to get into it. First of all, it comes in this hollow mailer, which is super cute. And then the box is pretty also. It is a celestial themed box called Moondrops, and this design is just so pretty. I love how, like, when the light catches it, how it shimmers. That's really pretty. And the back of the box is a constellation sky image. And we are just going to take everything out. I want to mention that I am going to show the mystery item at the end of the video. I will give you time to click off if you don't want to see what the mystery item is, and I don't want to spoil it for anyone who wants it to remain a surprise. So we are going to jump right into it and go in the order that it is on the card. So I'm going to move everything off to the side and we are going to grab it as it comes up on the card. So the first thing is the journaling card, and the journaling card comes in this bag with the washi tapes also. So we are going to take out the journaling card. Oh, it's the same design as the box. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh, the one on the box looks like hollow foil, but the one on the journaling card looks like a shattered glass foil, which is really, really pretty. Is it also hollow? I can't really tell, but it's like a shattered glass effect. That's really pretty. Then the designer washi tapes. We are going to take all these out. And I'm seeing other stuff in here, but we will get to that when it comes. Oh, there's a collaboration with Annie of Annie Plans Printables. There's a card in here for Annie Plans Printables. So that's awesome. But the washi tapes. So I have the washi tapes that come with the box, but then I also get the add-on. So let's zoom in. And the washi tapes that come with the box are this celestial themed washi tape with, it's like a bluish grayish gradient. That is really nice. And then we have this moon washi tape, again with the bluish gray, the dark bluish going to gray gradient. Then we have the moons in an intricate design. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but maybe I should unroll this one because this one looks like it's a bit hard to see through the glare on the plastic of the washi tape. Okay, so I took off the plastic on this one so we could unroll it a little bit and see. It is this intricate moon design, and it's on a pinkish bluish gradient background. It is really pretty. Like, how the light hits it is just really beautiful. So we have that one. And then we have the same gradient effect with silver bows. We have this star washi tape with the same blue-gray color. And then we have the shattered glass with the days of the week. This is a perforated washi tape. Actually, let me take these apart because these are two separate washi tapes. So we have the perforated days of the week and the shattered glass effect. And then we have this moon phase skinny washi tape. So these are all of the washi tapes that come in the box. These are just stunning. But I also get the add-on washi tape, which I think is an extra $6, and it's all skinny washi. So let me take these out of the packaging. So we have the skinny bow washi. It looks like it goes from blue to a dusty pink with silver bows. We have the moons on navy blue. We have the starry sky washi tape. And then we have the solid, that bluish gray color with the shattered glass around it. So if you get the add-on washi, these are all the washi tapes that you will get in the box. And I'm super excited about these. So the next thing on the card is the Deluxe sticker kit and seals. And these, I'm already loving it. Okay, so we have the sticker kit comes with 3 date covers. So we have that bluish grayish color, tan, and a gradient. And then we have full boxes, checklists, headers, icons, some deco, some more bow headers, and flag icons. So we have that, and then we also get heart icons. We get the date dots, which are in the shape of hearts and shattered glass. That's really pretty. And then we have this little sheet with some half boxes, checklists, deco, and a full box. And then we have this sheet, which are the intricate moon designs on clear sticker paper. I think they're like overlays. That is really pretty. I love like when the light catches it like that. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so that is the sticker kit. I'm excited to use these in my B6 Stalogy. I cannot wait. The next thing on the list is the large printed, I'm not even going to try to say that word, but it is this pouch right here with the same celestial theme, constellation theme, I mean. So it has the constellations on it. It has this little ring so that you could put a charm or something on it. And then it has silver hardware. And then you open it up and it is this dusty pink color. It's almost like between a tan and a pink color. And then you can just slide your items inside here, and it has a pin loop here also. So that is really cute. I like that. The next thing on the list is the A5 stitch binding notebook. It's a collaboration with Annie Plans Printables. So, oh, this will fit perfectly inside this pouch. But we are going to open this up and see if it is dot grid or if it is lined. I personally prefer the dot grid notebooks, but we will see. So this one has that same moon design, the crescent moon on it. And oh, this is a planner. Let me zoom out so you can see. This is actually a planner. That's what, okay, so this is the collaboration with Annie Plans Printables. And it looks like an actual planner. So you have the days of the week. You can use the perforated washi tape probably to put the days of the week at the top in these little rectangles here. You could put the days of the week, and then it has a place for your, I'm guessing, priority items, a to-do list, and then a checklist. And it's not dated, but this is cute. I might actually use this. I just might use this. I could use it to pre-plan because I use my B6 as my everyday carry, so I don't necessarily need another planner, but this is super cute. This will be exciting to decorate. Okay. Enough of that one. The next is the Engraved Gel Ink Pen, and I love the Simply Gilded ink pens. They write so smoothly, and I like that they have a hefty weight to them. And this one has the constellation sky design on it with silver bows and stars, and it's really pretty. I love this. And the next thing is the Vellum sticky notes, which I have to be honest, I don't love the Vellum sticky notes because you have to write on them with a special pen. So I use them as page markers because if you want to write on them, you can't use a gel ink pen. You have to use like a Sharpie marker or something like that. So they're cute, they're just not that practical for me. Personally, I prefer just to have paper sticky notes, but they're really pretty. And the next thing is the Deluxe Acrylic Washi Stand with Sparkling Charm. And I did hear about this. I try to keep everything a surprise, but this was the one thing that I saw on the Simply Gilded website when I clicked on the website, and the image at the front showed this washi tape stand. So I knew that this was coming. And I think there is a way to tie on the charm. I'll show you when we get to it. So you put this in there like that. And then there's a little charm that goes with it, and I believe there are instructions online for how to tie this on, which I'm not gonna do right now, but let's see. But the charm is supposed to tie on through this little hole at the top, and then I'm assuming it's just supposed to hang there like this. That's what I think. Either way, it's really cute. Let's put some washi tape on it just so we can see. So let me unwrap all of these and I will be right back. Okay, so I have unwrapped all of the washi tape and I am going to slide them onto the washi tape holder, and then you just put it down like that, and you have a washi stand. That is really pretty. It's hard to show this on camera, how pretty it is, but it is really, really pretty. And you could actually fit more washi tape on here. You could probably fit three more rolls maybe. But that's really cute. I'm excited that we have such a new, different item in the subscription box, because that stand will look so cute on my desk. And the next item is, oh, the mystery item. So now is the time. If you don't want to see the mystery item, I will give you time to click off the video, but thank you for watching this far. I appreciate it. You can hit the like button on your way out and consider subscribing. So we are going to wait for those people to leave. Now, if you're still here, then you want to see what the mystery item is. And so we are going to show that right now. And I'm looking at it to the side. I haven't actually opened it yet, but I can see the card on top, and it is these. It says Simply Gilded pen loops. So these are pen loops that are in the same colors that we have seen throughout the box. We have this gray color and this blue color. The gray color has a crescent moon and stars. The blue color has the Simply Gilded bow on it. And let's take these off. Yeah, so these are pen loops that you can, I'm assuming this part, you peel off this part and stick it to whatever planner or notebook cover that you're using, and then it sticks on, and then you can just slide your pen in it like that. You could stick it into whatever planner cover that you're using. So these are really useful. I think a lot of people will be happy that these are the mystery item this time, because these are really functional and cute. So let's take a look at everything that we have here. I think what I'm most excited about in this box is the washi tape holder. Of course, all the washi tape is always beautiful, but I'm most excited about this washi tape holder. I just think it will add something really special to my desk. It's something that I've always wanted, a washi tape holder, but I've never actually gotten the courage to buy one, and I'm so glad that this one is super cute. So that's my favorite item out of the box, but I'm also loving this pouch also. So yeah, that is everything that is in the Simply Gilded subscription box. I thank you for hanging out with me while we unbox this. I've been super excited to unbox this since I got it in the mail yesterday. So thank you so much for hanging out, and consider subscribing and hit the like button on your way out. And thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.